In the silent gulfs between galaxies, where even starlight dares not wander, we encounter the event horizon, a boundary stitched with gravity so intense that time itself bends. Here, the fabric of reality trembles, whispering of something vast, ancient, and utterly unknowable, waiting beyond. To understand what lies past the horizon, we must first comprehend the monster that births it, the black hole. Formed from collapsing stars, these voids drink all light, devouring space and time like cosmic predators lurking in the dark sea of infinity. Imagine a star 1,000,000 times heavier than our sun, crushed into a point smaller than a city. Around it, gases swirl at near-light speed, forming glowing maelstrom that scream into the void before vanishing forever. The boundary between existence and oblivion, that is the horizon. Astronomers call it a one-way door. Once crossed, escape is impossible. Even information, the universe's memory, is lost, shredded by gravity and heat, scattered as radiation across cosmic eternities. Beyond that veil, nothing returns unchanged. Our telescopes have filmed their shadows, but the truth remains obscured. We see only the outer storm, furious arcs of radiation, and in the center, darkness so complete it mocks comprehension itself. What dwells there defies physics and philosophy alike. Mathematicians speak of singularities, points where all equations collapse. They are not places, but concepts, regions where the laws of mathematics kneel and crumble. Inside them, distance, mass, time, these words lose their meaning. The notion of a singularity suggests an ultimate ending, yet also a beginning. If our universe began in such a state, could black holes be seeds of new realities, cracked open by gravity's monstrous hand? The possibility whispers like a forbidden prayer. Some physicists imagine tunnels linking different realms. They speak softly of wormholes hidden behind horizons, corridors through spacetime where distance ceases to exist. But these corridors, if real, may lead not to salvation, but to madness. Beyond that boundary, matter stretches infinitely thin, spaghettified by gravitational tides. A human body would elongate endlessly until every atom screams apart. In this region, the universe itself unravels into ghostly echoes of its former shape. Even light cannot fight its fate here. Photons, once free dancers in cosmic opera, are bent, twisted, slowed, until their final note fades into nothingness. The silence left behind is not peace, but a devouring stillness. Time behaves with cool indifference near the edge. To an outside observer, anything falling toward the horizon seems frozen, forever teetering, never crossing. Yet from within, the fall is swift, an instant of eternity, swallowed whole. This distortion means that, technically, the universe we see around a black hole is a museum of ghosts. Every particle falling inward remains eternally visible to distant eyes, trapped in a paradox of perpetual descent. For centuries, humans feared earthly darkness. Now we stare into galactic abysses far beyond our ancestral fires. It is not courage that drives us, but a desperate thirst to know what should remain unspoken. What if consciousness itself cannot endure those depths? Perhaps beyond the event horizon, awareness unravels, merging with alien geometries, blending into a timeless pulse that beats in rhythms far older than creation. Some theories suggest the core may not destroy information at all but encode it onto the horizon's surface like cosmic memory. If true, then every atom of every traveler remains, etched forever in gravitational fire. But even that explanation feels like a fragile story told to keep the nightmares away. For everything we learn about these beasts only sharpens the edge of their mystery, heightening the dread that they understand us more than we understand them. In simulations, black holes murmur with gravitational waves, ripples that warp space itself. These waves hum through the universe, like deep cosmic songs, revealing collisions of unimaginable violence centuries before we could ever perceive them. If you were to plunge inside, you would see the universe twist around you, the stars smeared into a ring of fire. No up, no down. Only the fall, eternal and absolute, toward an invisible core that hungers beyond comprehension. Many imagine a black hole as destruction incarnate. Yet it is also creation's twin, recycling matter and energy through incomprehensible processes. Stars die, galaxies are reshaped, cosmic history rewrites itself under their invisible hands. Inside, some propose, lie other dimensions, regions where time may run sideways, where causality dies and every choice spawns fractal realities. Here, maybe, versions of ourselves suffer eternally, their screams stretched into the hum of spacetime. Could consciousness cross that threshold? Could minds endure the collapse, awakening elsewhere, scattered across time like echoes from a forgotten dream? The question slithers through philosophy and physics alike, unanswered and unanswerable. Einstein's equations paint a logical structure, but that structure may be a thin shell. Beneath it lies chaos, a trembling truth that no mathematics can domesticate. Perhaps the event horizon marks the edge of comprehension itself. Consider the perspective of the black hole itself, if such awareness exists. Every particle that reaches it adds to its mass, its memory, its ancient thought. Might these leviathans think in gravitational syllables, composing in the language of stars? Detecting them is like chasing ghosts through fog. Our instruments read faint whispers, X-ray flares, radio emissions, distorted jets of matter, clues spilling from the invisible. Each signal is a love letter from the abyss. Inside the event horizon, time is no longer a river but a whirlpool. Every possible future is drawn to a single destination, and in that infinite compression, free will withers. You do not fall, you are rewritten. Cosmic horror lies not in monsters, but in realization that the universe is indifferent, intelligent only in its apathy. Staring into the black, you sense it staring back, patient, ancient, unspeakably vast. Perhaps every galaxy's heart hides such a monster, calm on the surface, cataclysmic within. They hold the cosmic web together, an irony of balance between annihilation and order. Without them, existence might unravel. Interstellar dust glows red around distant horizons, the last breath of doomed stars illuminating their own executioners. This light, traveling for eons, reaches us as a distorted cry, a warning whispered through the ages. Theories multiply, yet truth recedes further the closer we reach. To peer too deeply is to risk madness, to feel the creeping certainty that nothing beyond the horizon aligns with human thought or reason. Some whisper that what lies beyond is not destruction, but rebirth, matter and memory transmuted into alien existence, perhaps civilizations beyond spacetime feeding on gravitational collapse as nourishment. Others claim that beyond the singularity may lie the mirror edge of another universe, inverted and expanding in reverse time. If so, our fall into blackness may be another cosmos's dawn. For now, we stand at the precipice of knowledge, looking into a gravity well that reflects none of our curiosity back. Only silence greets us, a silence vast enough to outlast eternity. And so the question remains, what lies beyond the event horizon? Is it oblivion, transcendence, or something older than both, lurking eternally between the lines of creation's first equation? Deeper we stare, the more the abyss feels alive, listening, waiting. Somewhere, perhaps it remembers every gaze ever cast upon it. And as we reach for understanding, we feel, dimly, that it reaches back. In the end, the event horizon is not a boundary of space, it is the boundary of comprehension. Beyond it, language fails, time dies, and we are left with only awe, terror, and the soft pulse of an infinite dark.